What's up guys, John Osumi, Motion Sheet Photography, coming at you again with another video. We're here at the Expo in Ventura, April 3rd, 2025. This is the spring version. It's been a great show so far. I'll show you some more. Let's go. I'm going to show you the Expo from the point of view of a vendor, as I had a photography booth. Getting set up at the Latino Expo. I've done two previously. They both turned out really well, so here we go again. As a small business owner in Ventura, there is no better way to market your business than the Latino Business Expo. It's the biggest expo of its type in Ventura County every year. All set up. We're a little bit early, so we're just hanging out. We're gonna go check out some of the other booths. This is what I got here. There's a white backdrop. We're gonna do a photo booth. I've got some props for that. Down here, got the eyebrow reflector, and then of course here, I got the main light. So a really small, compact setup because we're in a small space, but it'll give you a nice background and it'll still look professional. And there's Paul. So for me, what was a great way to go through the expo was to get there early, make sure you get set up on time, and that way you have a little extra time to kind of walk around and check out some of the other vendors, get a chance to talk and make some connections. Because as a photographer, I'm actually trying to market my services to the other vendors as well as the visitors to the expo. Another benefit of the Latino Business Expo is not just the fact that you're getting to talk to other like-minded people, small business owners like yourself, but you're also getting ideas. You're seeing what other business owners are doing that's working, and you're seeing other things that maybe doesn't work, and it kind of gives you an idea of how you can run your business.
Did you go? Hey, what up? What up? That's what's up. Oh, there's Eric.
Guys.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good, good. How you doing, guys?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. There's Katie.
We're 2 hours into the show. It's been really successful so far. A lot of people come by. I feel like it makes some good connections, and it's also exhausting too. Another strategy that works for me at the expo is, as I'm collecting business cards from people that I've had conversations with, after I break contact with them, I'll quickly write down on the business card things that we talked about and things that we might want to try to connect on later, and that gives me a chance to follow up with them with some conversation starters when I do make that contact. We are finally rolling up. It is just before 7 o'clock at night. I think it was a successful show tonight. Had a lot of people come by, made a lot of connections. We'll have to follow up and see how that works out. But time to roll up and get ready for next